Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 22nd, 2022. Let's talk about Shopify today. Let's break down whether or not Shopify is going to make a major comeback. Is this going to be a massive move higher in Shopify? You guys can see that the price has been reduced to $40 because we had a stock split right here on June 29th, 2022, a 10 for 1. Now, I did a video in Shopify on May the 8th, way before the stock split. So my price prediction has changed. I was looking for the market in Shopify to go down at that particular moment. As you all can see, it has done that pretty much to where we expected it to go. The market buyers came into the market in Shopify right there around $29.75. So we need to come back in and say, or at least see, where price is headed now. So to everyone who is new, welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Why HueFin News? Well, because I give you all the news according to the chart, because this is where the action is being played. So if you guys want to join me, you guys want to learn more so that you can do this for yourself, join me. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because you're not going to get no fear, no FUD, no FOMO, not my opinion, because the charts don't lie. It doesn't. So check this out. Pretty good call on my last video on May the 28th. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, May the 8th. Looking for the price in Shopify to go down. It did. Cool. All right. It's right there. 20.5% was had on June the 14th. All right. Let's get rid of it. And let's talk about this massive comeback. Could we see the price in Shopify go up? That's a legitimate question. Can we see the price in Shopify move higher? Because if so, we want to be prepared. We want to be positioned to where we can win and look for that to go down. Now, I want to put you all on notice. Look at this. July the 27th, which is next week, Shopify is reporting earnings. Yes. So expect volatility. Let's keep it real. Let's just expect some volatility. The market in Shopify may actually break below $30 on what people perceive as negative news, negative earnings. But let's see what we got so far, because I think we can actually agree that buyers are coming into the market in Shopify right around here. Okay, let me bring this down. This is where the market buyers are coming in the market in Shopify. I like it, because this market is telling us that they're trying to hold price above $30, right? You see that, right? If I were to extend this out further, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Look at this. 2019. The market in Shopify was still holding this particular price level as support. We are now back to the point to where the market in Shopify was here. Like, you have all of these other YouTubers out here talking about fundamental analysis. I mean, they were considering holding the stock, right, in the long term when the price in Shopify was exceedingly high, right? And they continue to come in and do videos saying, come in and buy the dip, buy the dip. You don't want to buy the dip. You want to buy when the market is done dipping, right? Keep the money to yourself. Don't put money in the market if you know you're going to continue to see the market fall. That's where they went wrong. What we see right now in Shopify right here is what you want to see for indications that the overall market is buying now. You will see something like this, to where the market is just bouncing. It's not really moving anywhere. It's trading in a channel. That tells you that the market is doing one of two things. One, it is either accumulating and buy more of the stock, or two, it's allowing the market to sell its majority stake in the market. Either or, one of those two things is occurring. Now, seeing how we've already seen Shopify fall from the high of November 19, 2021 to a low of $30, like that's 82.5%. Do you still think that the market is selling? Or do you think now is the prime opportunity that a lot of the market is seeing that Shopify is relatively cheap now? Which one do you think it is? Yeah, this doesn't take us looking at the earnings of Shopify. It doesn't take us trying to do a discount cash flow model to determine whether or not the market is buying. So let's go ahead and talk, because we are seeing the market in Shopify hitting restriction. Now, again, the chart always gives us the answers. Like, I don't understand why people make this so difficult, having you all look at other things that does not matter. Look at this. The market in Shopify, even back here in 2019, again, as a reference point, was utilizing $41, $40 as restriction, right? We are trading there again. So for us to see price go back down now, don't be surprised, because we went through that same type of scenario in Shopify back in 2019. So we are now knocking our heads at a restrictional point. So why should we be nervous? Why should we be scared? Like we don't know why the price won't go back down, because it definitely can, because we are now hitting restriction. Right? Now, let's try to figure out what are the chances of us actually seeing the market break outside of this area right here. We want to know what's the probability of us seeing the price in Shopify break outside of $40. Let's see, because I think it's pretty good. I think the market in Shopify is going to break out, but we got to consider where's the next level that the market can come back down, right? I like the market. I'm going to look for it to go up. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm going to look for the price in Shopify to move up, to break outside of this current restriction line of $40. I'm looking for that to happen. Okay, so I'm already paying attention to how high can I expect the market to go. So let me show you where my first price target is going to be. It's going to be around like $45 to $46, maybe even $50. Okay, right there. The market strength is being seen on the 2-day chart, even here on the 3-day. Like the charts are not lying to us. The market buyers are controlling and dominating the market. The only problem is us not being able to break above 40. Right? This is the 5-day. This is the weekly chart in Shopify. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop my price prediction. See, it's not hard. It's not difficult, is it? Let me go ahead and put this on the chart and let you all get your time back. Now, seeing that the market has already held $30, I'm going to increase my support area to like $32.50. As long as the market in Shopify holds $32.50, we're going to continue to expect the market to try to move higher. Okay. That first price target, you guys can remember, I said it was around $45. That gives us around 11.5%. Okay. That's my first price target, $45, give or take. Then my second one's going to be around 50. Let's just do $49. Okay. And that's it. That's it. We're done. So now your turn is up. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target for Shopify. Where are we about to go? I'm already in position. I got my idea as to where I think the market's going to go. The only thing that would break this price prediction is for us to not see price break outside of 40, because we can actually see the market in Shopify break outside of 40, right? Break out, and then it comes back down and holds $40 as support, and then we'll see the next move higher. We could definitely see that happen too. All right, so give me your idea. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.